Hello friends, welcome to digitalblogger.com. We are reviewing Karvy Online today, which is one of the famous full-service stockbrokers in India, known for its research and recommendations. In this particular review, we'll be talking about multiple aspects starting from pricing, company backgrounds, exposure, brokerage, trading platforms, customer service, a lot of factors, and see if it fits your bill or not. Let's get started. So as usual, we will start with the company background. Karvy Online, as we discussed, is a full service stockbroker established in the year 1985. So it's been 32 years since its establishment. It's one of the veterans when it comes to the overall stockbroking space in India. Right now they've got more than 400 branches and sub-broker offices across different cities of India. So you might find a sub-broker location or a franchise office around your area as well. Karvy Online is known for its research, so they've got multiple research-based initiatives going in different directions. We'll be talking about that later. And as far as trading and investment products are concerned, there is a huge variety. There are different array of products available for your choice. If we talk about the trading products, well, equity, commodity, currency, as a conventional full-service stockbroker has. Apart from that, they allow you to trade and invest in derivatives, IPOs, mutual funds, insurance, FDs, corporate FDs, NCD bonds. So all of these kind of trading products are available for you in case you open an account with them. If we talk about the trading platform, this is one of the significant factors when it comes to choosing a particular stockbroker. We'll be talking about both the kinds of variants, both for desktop, laptop and for the mobile app. Let's spend some time first on the mobile app and see how it works for you. So we are using Google Play Store for reference here. Karvy Online mobile app is called Karvy Online Trade on Google Play Store. Its size is around 4.89 MB. It's not so heavy, so it will be a decent app in terms of the size of the app is concerned. However, in case you're looking at the ratings here, it's kind of depressing number. 3.2 is one of the disappointing figures we have seen for a broker such as Karvy Online. It's rated by around 919 users, and out of those, 32% of the users have rated this app at either 1 or 2 out of 5. This basically tells you that 1/3 of the users are not satisfied with the mobile app of Karvy Online. There are good points. First of all, let's talk about those. You are allowed as a guest login, so in case you download and install the app on your Android phone, you will be allowed to use some of the features as a guest. There is a expert and live chat feature, so in case you're looking for a quick tip or regular sort of research recommendations within the mobile app, there are facilities where you can just click on a button and see what expert has to say on a particular stock or a product. And it's also known as one of the most secure mobile apps for trading, so that particular aspect is also taken care of. You can invest across equity, mutual funds, commodities through this particular mobile app. So from a range perspective, this is a decent mobile app, but when it comes to performance, there are some concerns as well. So you will face some login issues. So in case you are regularly sort of logged into the application, you might be logged out instantaneously for some reason. The user experience is average. If you look at the screens here, so they look alright, but the choice of colors is a little bland. It really doesn't help you to figure out which particular button they wanted to click on. So primary call to actions or secondary call to actions are not very clear, which is an important factor when it comes to a suboptimal and optimal user experience. If we talk about the stats here, if you look at what exactly Karvy Online is doing from their end, the app was last updated on 11th of November 2016. We are recording this video in April 2017, so it's been good 6 months. This app has seen an update, which is really surprising again, because generally a stockbroker that has a focus on technology and that wants its users, its clients to have a decent user experience while trading, they generally update their app in a span of maximum 1 month. But it's been 6 months. Well, that's a strange number for Karvy Online. The app has been downloaded by 50,000 to 1 lakh users. This is an alright number, but unfortunately we won't be able to recommend you this particular app for trading. This has some concerns right now, and definitely there is a lack of focus from Karvy's as well. So For trading with Karvy Online, definitely Karvy Online's mobile app is not recommended from our end. Now let's spend some time and understand what other trading platforms from Karvy Online has to offer. So we are using digitalblogger.com for reference here. So Karvy Online has a presence in a desktop based application which you need to download and install onto your computer or laptop. They also have a browser based application where you just need to log in onto a particular URL and you can get started with your trading. Let's talk about the terminal based software first, which is called as Karvy Nest Trading Application. Now this gives you a lot of features like quick order execution. There are multiple market watch alerts and notifications are also allowed as per your preferences. You can view portfolio data of your orders and things like that. So in a level of the features provided by this particular stock broking trading application, this is a decent platform. You can certainly use it for your trading purposes. The only concern with this we can see right now is there is no version for iOS or Apple users. There is no Mac support for this particular trading platform. You can only use it for Windows. The other one in this particular range is the browser based application called Karvy Online Web. It's basically you need to go to the Karvy Online's website. There is a login button there. Click on that. In case you are a registered user, you need to enter your verified username and password and you can get started with your trading. It also gives you all kinds of features like back office reports. You can place, you cancel, modify your orders. Fund transfer is pretty easy, and since it's a responsive web app, you can use it on your mobile phone as well. So a lot of features. Again, in case of Karvy Online Web, it's a recommended trading platform from our end too. So you can certainly go ahead and do your trading through these platforms. But again, mobile app is something which is a no-go area right now. A lot of things that can be improved are to be taken care by Karvy Online for its clients. Trading platforms to pricing, Karvy Online doesn't charge you anything to open a trading account. For Demat account, they charge you 420 rupees, and again the AMC for trading account is nil. You need to pay AMC for Demat account for 500 rupees every year. You don't need to pay anything for the first year in case you open an account through us, but otherwise AMC is 500 rupees every year. Moving ahead, talking about brokerage, there are a couple of plans. Basically, there is a basic conventional plan called a retail brokerage plan where you need to give them a brokerage percentage of 0.3% in delivery and 0.03% in intraday. So otherwise the overall brokerage percentage look normal, not so high, not so less. But again, it really depends on the kind of initial deposit you're putting in. You can certainly negotiate based on that factor. There is another sort of a premium brokerage plan specifically for heavy traders, experts who can pitch in a value of 1 lakh rupees as a subscription price every year. Once you do that, you will be charged as a 0.1% brokerage. 1/3 of you might have paid in retail brokerage plan. But again, this is a non-refundable fees. This is something like a subscription plan where you need to pay them, and correspondingly the brokerage will be charged at that level. If you talk about transaction charges, nothing abnormal there. Everything is pretty much standard. 0.0032 to 5% for delivery and intraday, and similarly other values are in line with the industry standards. Only concern is with equity options. This looks marginally high as compared to other stockbrokers. What we have seen is 0.05% is also being offered by other full service stockbrokers. So you need to see what exactly you are being paid out, and you can certainly negotiate with Karvy Online this aspect. If you talk about exposure or leverage, basically if you're that kind of trader who can expect a lot of leverage and exposure, then apart from equity intraday, you won't be getting a lot from Karvy Online. As you can see, you can get up to 20 times exposure for equity intraday, but there's nothing much really when it comes to other segments. Currency, in fact, there is nothing for currency and options buying. So you have to pick accordingly. If Karvy Online is one of those stockbrokers which fits your bills and you are okay to let go exposure, then go ahead with them. But if exposure is one of your top priorities, Karvy Online is certainly not one of the stockbrokers you can prefer. For people who don't understand the concept, basically it's very simple. It's kind of a loan provided by the stockbroker at a particular interest percentage. So in case you have a trading account balance of let's say 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 2 lakh for intraday trades at any given point in time. And finally, let's talk about some of the positives and negatives of opening an account with Karvy Online. Let's start with the positives first. Customer service is one department where Karvy Online can boast about. They've got multiple initiatives going, be it ask the expert, or you can have multiple touch points to reach out to the customer service department. As far as the quality of resolution is concerned, the turnaround time is concerned, they are pretty decent on that aspect too. Next point is around the network. So we discussed about the 400 cities that they've covered. This is a decent sort of a coverage across India. It's not so good, not so bad either at the same time. So you might find a sub-broker or a franchise office around your location for Karvy Online. And when it comes to research, Karvy Online is one of those stockbrokers that fits into the cohort of the best research houses in the country. They give you accurate reports, accurate recommendations, accurate trading calls. In fact, you can count them in one of the top performing stockbrokers in the research and recommendations area. Some of the negatives, again, we've talked about mobile app performance. Definitely a lot of room to improve on that aspect. Trading platforms don't really have a Mac version, but at the same time, it's pretty much the story with every other stockbroker too. Exposure values are not so high. Intraday is the only segment where Karvy Online provides a decent sort of exposure. Other than that, you will be disappointed. So these are the different areas where we can think of the kind of expectations a client might have. However, it comes down to your preferences. In case it fits your requirements, go ahead with them, open an account. In case they don't, you can keep on researching for the one that exactly matches your requirements. In case you're looking to have a word, however, with Karvy Online, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/Karvy Online, open Demat account, put in your details there, and we will set up a call back for you. However, in case you're not sure, you have your preferences, you have a list of requirements, but you don't understand which particular stockbroker matches exactly those, then what you can do is check out the other link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Now here, once you put in your preferences and your details, we will set up a couple of callbacks for you as per your preferences, and you can figure out if either of these two stockbrokers work out for you or not. So this is it as far as this video is concerned. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, A Digital Blogger, for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye-bye.